Okay, so the idea of factoring, if you have, for example, 4, it's factored as 2 times 2. And if you have 6, it's factored as 2 times 3. So if you want the common factor between 4 and 6, the common factor will be this 2, right? Because this is in both. So the greatest common factor here is equal to 2. The same thing for the variable. Okay, if you have x cubed, it's basically x times x times x. And if you have x, let's just have a nice x. Okay. If you have x power 5, that means also x times x times x, 5 times, right? So the common factor here will be the one that's repeated. And you see that 3 of them here and the 3 of them here, and this will be the greatest common factor. The greatest common factor is this x times x times x, which is basically just enough to write x cubed, right? So you just write this as x cubed. And x cubed is the one already that has the lowest power. Okay, so this will be the common factor. So if I have another example, what is the greatest common factor of x squared, x power 4, and x power 7? X squared, as simple as that. The greatest common factor is x squared. It's always the one that has the lowest. Okay, if I have x and x squared and x power 7, for example. Okay. Or 4. The greatest common factor will be x. And so it's always the lowest one. Clear now?